In this video, I'll talk about how to use WeRelate.org, the world's largest genealogy wiki. WeRelate is different from most genealogy websites. It's a shared genealogy website. So to begin, I'd like to talk about some rules of etiquette. First, be active. When somebody leaves a message for you, please respond to them. Be bold. If you have some information that you think may improve a page that someone else has been working on, please add it to that page. Be courteous. If you get into a disagreement with someone, please remember the golden rule. Be documentation strong. Add sources for your information as often as possible. Be encouraging with newcomers. Be forgiving. If somebody makes a mistake and adds some incorrect information on one of your pages, please correct it and forgive them. Be generous concerning conflicting opinions. Sometimes two people might have good reason to believe different dates for the same person. In WeRelate, it's possible to store multiple opinions at the same time. Go ahead and store both opinions. Wikipedia has shown that a wiki can be a great tool for collaboration. But a wiki is different than your desktop genealogy program. In a wiki, everything is a page, and page titles have to be unique. Here's an example of a page for a person. Notice how the dates and places are listed down the left, leaving room for images and a biography on the right. Notice also that the title of the page is the word person, followed by the person's first given name and surname, followed by an index number to make the page title unique, so that different people named William Brewster get different page titles. This page has a link to a different page for his family. Clicking on the link, we're taken to a different page for William Brewster's family. Again, information about the husband, wife, and children are listed down the left, with biography information and possibly pictures on the right. Let's go back to the person page for William Brewster. Notice the image there on the page. If we click on this image, we're taken to another page for the image. Now let's look at sources. Going back again to William Brewster's page, let's scroll down a bit. Scrolling down, we come to the list of sources near the bottom of the page. Each source is a link. Clicking on the link takes us to a page for the source. The source page includes not only bibliographic information, but also a list of repositories where the source can be found. You can also add usage notes or whatever other information you have about that source. Source pages are an important part about WeRelate because they help other people find and use those sources. Let's look at a page for a different person. This page has a link to a My Source page. When you upload a GEDCOM file, the sources in your GEDCOM become My Source pages on WeRelate. Eventually, we'll have a way for you to link the My Source pages in your GEDCOM file that might be useful for other people as well to community source pages that can be used by others. We have pages for places as well. So clicking on this link takes you to a place page for Duxbury. Place pages can have maps, they can have historical information, and they can also contain research guidance for the place. Here's an example of people in a family tree being shown on a map. When you create an account at WeRelate, you can also create a page for yourself. Here's a list of people who have contributed to this page or are interested in changes to the page. Clicking on one of the people in the list takes us to their user page. On your user page, you can post information about yourself, whatever you'd like other people to see. You can also have pages for research guides or joint projects. This family here is a member of the Cherokee Heritage Project. Clicking on this link takes you to the page about the Cherokee Heritage Project. Project pages can have pretty much whatever you like on them, and are a great way for multiple people to work together on shared research interests. Now let's talk about search. The first thing to know is that you can select the kinds of pages you want to search. You can search all pages, or if you want to search just people, select the person namespace. The namespace is the type of page you want to search. Notice that when you select a specific namespace, you get more search fields to fill in. You also have the option to return exact matches only, or to search just pages that you're watching, which are pages that you've contributed to, or pages where you've said you want to receive an email notification whenever the page has been changed.